Hello, Tram. Hello. 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 Tram, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. I think your internet is not good now. Yeah. Because I can see your signal or your internet speed there is kind of red. It's red, honey. So maybe you have like slow internet today. Yes. But how are you, Tram?
I'm good.
Oh yeah, your internet is getting good now. Yeah, it's good now. Okay, it's not slow now. Honey, why is it so dark? It's a very dark in your room. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, honey. It's okay. It is okay. I was just asking, why is it so dark? Yeah. And we are both wearing red again. I am
Yeah.
wearing my favorite red shirt. Okay. So anyway, Tram, did you go to school today?
Only in the morning.
Oh, wow, so lucky. That was just only in the morning. And you're just at home in the whole on the whole afternoon, honey.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. And that only happens every Friday, right? I mean Thursday, right, Tram? Yeah, only Thursday. Why is that? Why only Thursday, honey? Is
I
it your
don't know.
PE day? Is it your PE day? Today is your PE day. No?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Because that one looks like a PE uniform. That doesn't look like your regular uniform, honey. Anyway, yeah, did you go out today? Or did you go
No.
somewhere else today? No. I see, honey. Okay. So, are you ready for our class now, Tram?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher is now going to share the screen, okay? Is my voice okay, honey?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it loud? Not small?
It's normal.
Normal. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I think you can see teacher screen now. Can you? Can you see teacher screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So anyway, honey, last time we stopped on page 3. Let me have page 3. Yeah. We had these one, honey, and I don't think we're done answering every questions here. Are we done? What do you think?
No.
Yeah, we aren't done yet with these questions, right? Okay.
Um,
We had question 1. We answered question 1 last time.
no,
Yes.
number two. Number
Ah,
three.
3. Okay. Let's have so now we're going to have 4. We're now going to have question 4, right?
Yes.
But I forgot your answers, honey. So can we start with question 1? I
Yes.
forgot your answers. Okay, let's start with question 1, honey. What do you think of your hometown?
My hometown is very beautiful and crowded.
Crowded?
Yeah.
Is it noisy, honey, to live in the city?
Yeah.
Oh, and there's a lot of people because it's crowded, of course. Uh, But you love your hometown, right? Like your
Yes.
hometown. I see. Okay, so anyway, honey, question number 2. Kindly read question number 2 again, honey. Please read.
Uh, I have to visit a lot of a lot of towns, but I don't
Mm,
remember them.
you don't remember the names of those. No, honey. We're not yet done answering number 3. We stopped on question number 2, as far as I remember.
I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So me, I think as far as I remember, honey, I think I visited about 20 towns in my country. 20 or maybe 15 towns in my country, honey, from the past. Not because of vacation, not because of vacation, honey, but because of work. Yeah, so I went to different 20 or 15 different towns from the past, honey, because of work. Yeah, and I just do anything there, not for sightseeing, not for eating foods, but to work. Uh, Okay, question number 3. Have you traveled to another country, Tramp?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I see. Okay, which country would you like to visit and why?
I'd like to visit Korea because
Korea?
yes, because Korea dishes is very delicious.
Yeah, their dishes are very delicious. That's true, Tramp. And what? Okay, I know you've tasted or you've eaten their foods, honey. One of their foods. And what's your favorite?
Noodles.
Wait for a while, honey. Okay, someone's calling my mom. Okay, noodles, honey, like the ramyon, right? Or the bulldog. Have you tried the bulldog, honey? Have you tried the bulldog? Do you know bulldog?
No,
No, no, no. Okay, I will show you. This is very popular. Bulldog. Here,
it's
I know you've tasted this. I think
ah
yes, this one.
yes,
Yeah, this is my favorite. Yeah,
yes, yes.
this is very famous there too, right? Yeah,
Yeah,
and you like it. Which one is your favorite one? I like the pink one. I don't like the black one. Which one do you like?
I like the belly. Belly.
The yellow?
Yes,
Okay, I see, honey. But it's very spicy. Even if it's pink, it's very, very spicy. Yeah, but you like spicy food, right? You do like spicy food.
yes,
Okay, question number 4. Do you like traveling, Tram?
yes, yes. I
Oh,
do
why?
because I like traveling.
Why do you like traveling? Like, what's the reason why you like traveling? For me, I like traveling because I get to eat different kinds of food from each places that I go to. And I like
I
to see the beautiful places that they can offer from their place. Yeah, like that.
I like traveling because I have time to relax and
Mm.
I mustn't study
You mustn't what?
study.
Liquor. Ah, okay. That is your reason. Yeah, because if you're going to travel, of course you can't study. You don't need to study. Okay. Wow. Well, that's a very nice reason, honey. Okay. So, talk about your favorite traveling destination, honey. Maybe in just your town, like the travel destination that you have been to before. Yeah. And you keep the town or the place that you kept on visiting.
Yeah,
And what is that place?
it's Hanoi.
Hanoi. Oh, a very famous place in in Vietnam. Why, honey? Why Hanoi? What's in there? What's your favorite part there?
Have a lot of dishes delicious and have a lot of famous landmark.
Really? Also, Ho Chi Minh, right? Ho Chi Minh also has the beautiful landmarks, beautiful
Yeah,
places that you can see there. But Hanoi is really the best for you, honey. You think Hanoi
yeah.
is really the best? Okay. Is it cold there, Tram? Is it cold?
It's wrong.
Yeah, because you're wearing like your shirt and then I don't know if it's like a long sleeve or something. Yeah.
In the morning it's very cold.
Ah, especially in the morning. I see. Okay. So we have these different kinds of vocabularies here, hon, and we're going to discuss each of these words. Okay. So now let's have question number one. I mean, why did I say question number one? Word number one. Accommodation. Okay, the accommodation, honey. What is it? And please read it. Tram.
Accommodation is a room of building in which you stay during holidays or live.
Yes, very good, honey. Okay, that if, for example, a hotel. Yeah, a hotel or an Airbnb. Do you know what is Airbnb, honey?
Airbnb.
Yeah, Airbnb. I'm
Mm.
trying to I will try to translate it in Vietnamese. Maybe you know. Airbnb. Yeah, it's still Airbnb. But Airbnb, honey, is a place where not a hotel, but for example, a house, honey, a house. Yeah, for example, this one, I will choose to make my house as Airbnb. So every visitors or every tourist can can rent my house. Yeah, but not a hotel. Okay, so an example of accommodation, honey, is number one is what is it? Hotel. Yeah. Okay. And of course, when you go traveling, you always find a good accommodation, right? Tram?
Yeah, yes.
Who finds and who looks after a good accommodation, honey, in your family? Your mom or your dad?
My parents.
Your parents. They're the one who choose the right accommodation for you. I see. Okay. Word number two, we have
Guided tour.
guided.
Guided tour.
Yes, guided tour. What is it, honey? Please read.
A tour in which a group of people is guided by an expert.
Yes, very good, honey. Guided tour is a tour which group of people is guided by an expert. So when you go traveling in Hanoi, honey, like for example, guided tour, honey, will be you will be guide if you have this one, that means you have like a tour guide. You know what a tour guide is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then, have you tried this? Have you ever tried a vacation with
Yes.
a tour guide?
Yes.
Is it nice? Which one is nicer, honey? Traveling with a tour guide or traveling alone?
Um,
I mean, without a
just
tour guide.
I I don't like guiding tour.
Why? Why not?
Just uh we go sometime
Mhm,
in holiday.
mhm.
We can do anything we
Yeah.
like.
Ah, you can't do anything freely because there's someone with you. There's someone beside you. Yeah, there's someone who guides you. Okay. I see, honey. All right, let's have the third one, honey. We have holiday.
Destination
Please read the definition, honey.
where you go for a holiday.
Yes. Holiday destination, honey, is a place where you go for a holiday, like Hanoi. Hanoi. Yeah. Honey, what are the famous holiday destinations in your country, honey, that you know right now?
Vịnh Hạ Long, you know,
What?
or Hạ Long Bay, Hạ Long
Oh
Bay.
yeah, I know that. I know that. Yes, yes, yes. What else? Da Da Nang?
Google ask.
Da Lang?
Yes, Da Nang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's also very famous in the Philippines. Everybody talks about that too. Yeah, especially Halong Bay. Halong Bay. I don't know how
Holland
to.
Bay.
Yeah, yeah. That's very famous too here, honey. Okay. Have you been there?
Yes.
Oh, which one is nicer? The Da Lang, Da Nang, or the Halong Bay?
Mm.
Da Nang, right, honey? Da Nang. Is it Da Nang?
Um,
Da
I think
Ah, yes. Danang is a place where you have like the big hand, the yeah, the bridge with the big hand here. This is the big hand and this is the bridge. Yeah. This one, wait for a moment. Can you hear someone shouting, honey? Can you hear someone shouting? Something like that. Can you hear? Do you hear it?
yeah,
The one shouting? Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, honey. This is Danang, right?
yes,
Have you been here before?
yes.
Oh, I see. Is it nice? Is it nice here?
Very nice. And
Very
it's
nice.
very beautiful.
Mhm. It's great to hear. Want to go here. They said it's very famous. Is it true?
Yes.
I see, honey. Okay. Next one, next to holiday destination is
Pack, uh,
package.
package tour. A holiday at a fixed price in which the travel company
Arranges.
arranges your travel, hotels, and sometimes meals for you.
Yes. Okay, very good, honey. Okay, a package tour is a holiday. If you are going to have a package tour, honey, all you need to do is just to pay for everything, and the company will arrange your 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 bus, or maybe your taxi, or your hotels. Yeah, the meals that you're going to eat. Yeah, you just have to pay. Maybe I think you need to pay a lot of money for it. But do you think your parents try this one, honey, for your family? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. And you do you like it? Do you like package tours, honey?
yes.
Oh, why?
Because uh, because it's convenient.
Mm,
Yeah.
yes, very convenient. And you don't need to, you don't need to plan for anything. It's the travel company that, that serves you everything that you need, yeah, for your traveling time. Okay,
Teacher,
let's have
do you like sports?
now.
But
I don't know.
uh,
I don't know if pickleball is considered as a sport, but I like pickleball, honey. I like badminton. I like tennis, but not all and not every sports that you know. Yeah.
oh,
Why? Why did you ask?
uh, last night you got to the
Mm,
um
okay.
no.
No, you say it.
Last night did you watch the match?
Philippines versus
Vietnam.
no, is it the women, the girls, honey,
Yeah,
girls
yeah.
competition? Ah, I saw. I saw some clips from TikTok, honey, but I don't know who won. Who won?
Philippines.
Vietnam? Ah, Philippines. Well, I will search that. Really, I will search that. But for the men competition, honey, it's the for the men competition, it's the men, right? From Vietnam who won. I will search
Uh,
it then. What is it? Uh, Philippines versus Vietnam. Football, honey.
yes.
Oh, yeah, it's really the Philippines. Where did it happen, honey?
Last night
I mean,
in
where?
Thailand.
Ah, in Thailand. Oh,
See,
well, okay. But they're not really full Filipinos, honey. They're just half Filipino. Some of them are half American and then half Filipino, half British, half Filipino. I think there's just only one, and then there's just half Chinese, half Filipino. They're not really like the full-blooded Filipino, honey. Because to tell you, honey, most of the Filipinos are actually not so interested with football. Football is not a very high end or like a very known um sport here. The one that's very famous here is basketball and volleyball. I mean, the sports that are famous here are football and I mean volleyball and basketball. So I heard football is very famous there, right? In your country. Am I right?
yes.
Yeah. So you watched it. You watched the whole game, the whole show.
Yeah.
Did you?
But the referee disallows the goal for Vietnam.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So do you think that was not a fair game? You think that was
Yeah.
not a fair game? Yeah. Do you
No
want to have
favor.
a rematch? Do you want to have a rematch?
No. Philippines is good, but the referee no favor.
It's not fair. The referee is not fair. But you won in the men competition, right? Men football competition, right? Yeah, you're the one who won. The Philippines lost the game. Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have the go sightseeing. Please read the definition, my dear Tram. Go sightseeing means
Goes size what?
sightseeing.
Go sightseeing to go visiting sites of interest.
Okay, very good, honey. If it's in Vietnamese, sightseeing is like this. Sight. It is tham quan.
tham quan,
Tham quan. Yeah. And do you do this when you travel? Do you do tham quan or sightseeing?
Yes.
Of course, of course. Yeah, we always go sightseeing when we travel, especially if we're in the car. Because you have a car, right?
Yeah.
And do you use your car when you're traveling, Tram?
Yes.
Oh,
If
well.
if the plate if the plate is not far
But if it's far, you go by plane.
by plane or by train.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Let's have the last vocabulary, my dear. Please read. This one is travel.
Accommodation.
No, honey, you
Travel.
forgot.
Sorry,
Yes.
sorry, sorry.
Travel, travel agency. Can you say it? You're mute.
Oh my God.
And say it again one more time. Travel agency.
Travel agency.
Yeah. Travel agency is
A shop that specializes in booking holidays.
specializes. One more time.
Rises.
Yeah, specializes in booking holidays, honey. Yes, a travel agency, honey, is like, for example, your mom wants to book a plane ticket. So that agency is the one that books the ticket for you, honey, and the one that your mom is just going to give the money to the travel agency, and the travel agency is the one that books the ticket, books the flight, books your hotels, books your ship traveling. Yeah. And then the travel agency will be the one to give you the ticket. You don't need to do anything, you're just going to give the money. Yeah. Okay. So let's read each of the words again, Tram. Let's start with the very first one. We have
Accommodation.
yeah,
Guided tour.
yes,
Holiday destination.
yes,
Package tour.
yep.
Travel. Go sightseeing. Travel agency.
Agency. Yes, travel agency. Thank you so much, Tram. Now, let's have here. Oh,
Have you ever been to Vietnam?
no. I would love to go there, honey. I would love to go there actually. It's my dream to go there since my cousins are there, honey. My cousins are there for work, honey, and they're teachers there. The one
Teacher?
is yeah, they're
Teach.
teachers. Yeah, elementary teachers, honey. They are teaching in Bien Hoa. Bien Hoa,
Bien Hoa.
yeah, Bien Hoa, Bien Hoa,
Bien.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Yes, they're both teaching there. It's my dream too, but oh my goodness, the traveling cost really a lot, honey. I need to have a big amount of money. So maybe if I'm going to go there, honey, maybe I'm just going to um uh travel for only maybe 5 days or 1 week for a vacation if I have money. And mind you, honey, I haven't been into any countries before. I've never really traveled to any kinds of um um countries before, but I would like to. But the first one that I want to go to, honey, is the Netherlands. It's in Europe. Yeah, it is in Europe, honey. Anyway, we have here the phrasal verbs, my dear. Do you know what is phrasal verbs?
I know.
Oh, okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain what phrasal verb is to me?
I don't know.
Phrasal verb is? Okay. A phrasal verb, honey, is a verb that makes friend to a little word. Yeah. Okay. For example, the word stand. What does stand mean, honey? What does stand mean? Stand mean just standing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just standing. But when we say stand up, what does it mean? Stand up means you get on your feet. You get on your feet. Like for example, you're sitting here and then someone says, okay, stand up. So you stand up. You get on your feet, honey. You rise. Okay? So
Yes.
a phrasal verb, honey, is a verb that makes friend to little word like up, down, stand up, down. Yeah, something like that. And they get a new meaning. Yeah. Okay? So
Yes.
take a look. The verb stand, honey, changes its meaning when you add the word up, right? Yeah, that's the meaning of phrasal verbs. All right. Now let's start with the first example of the phrasal verb, honey. We have
Hurry up.
means
Uh, mean we must to go fast.
Yes, rush and not waste time. You have to hurry up, go fast. Please read the example, Tram. The
Hurry,
sentence.
hurry up. We are going to be late.
Very good. The next one is
Set up
set off.
is,
Very good.
is starting of something.
Yes.
Start. Yeah. We set off for Paris just after 10.
Great. Next to set off, we have,
Get in.
it means,
Ride train and plane. Ride train
yes.
plane.
Great. Next, we have the example of get in.
I got in just after 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Next to get in, we have hold.
Up.
Means?
It's delay when traveling.
Okay.
Sorry. I got head up at work.
Very good, honey. Next,
Take
we have
Take off. When a plane departs of leaves and route, the plane took off an hour late.
Yeah.
Get off. Leave a bus, train, plane. We get off at the next station. Check out. Leave the hotel after paying. We check out at noon.
next.
Get on. Enter a bus, train, plane to climb on board. On board. I think we got on the wrong bus.
Okay, that is it, honey. We have the hurry up, set off, get in, hold up, take off, get off, check out, get on. Thank you so much, honey, for reading everything. So now we are going to talk about a destination, honey. So we still have 7 minutes left. Okay, so we have here, you're going to talk about the destination in Vietnam, honey, or in another countries. So here is the outline. You're going to say what is the place. You're going to say what can you see in that place and what can you do there. How can you get there? But before that, honey, can I get some water? Okay. All right, you can think, honey. Please think of. You can still hear me actually, honey, because my new headset is really nice. You can still hear me. You think first.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. All right, are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Oh. Yes.
Okay, let's go. What is the place?
Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam, and it is a city with a long history and rich a long history. Hanoi is famous for old streets, beautiful lakes, or traditional food. People in there are friendly, and the city is um peace, peaceful.
Peaceful.
Peaceful. I love Hanoi because it is both modern and traditional. Yeah.
Oh, great, honey. Okay, thank you so much, my dear. Okay, but how can you get there, honey? Oh, how can you get there again, honey? It was not clear to me. How can you get there? You get there by
By
plane,
car,
by bus,
by car, plane, or by train.
by
It's a-
car.
Yeah, 3 hours.
What do you want to say, honey?
We go to Hanoi by car
Mm-hmm.
in 3 hours.
Ah, okay. That's for 3 hours. Yeah. Oh, but if it's
But
plain for oh, okay.
we need to uh ride car ride car on the highway.
Ah, okay. But 3 hours, I think it's really? Oh, but when you go there, honey, how do you get there when you go there? I mean your family. How does your family go there?
By car
Oh, by car. I see. Okay. What time of the year is better to go there, honey?
in summer.
Ah. When is the summer? What month is the summer there?
Mm, June, July, and August.
Oh,
You must
okay, I see, honey. Oh, you still have many more months left. Because you, how many months are you going? Like, how many months is the summer vacation in Vietnam, honey?
3 months.
Oh, wow, that's long. That is long.
But
Okay,
in
but you don't,
Philippines,
yeah, yeah, 3 months, 2 to 3 months, honey.
and
The summer vacation starts on, wait for a while, May, June, yeah, May to June, August, or May to June. Yes.
yeah,
You, July, August, right? July and August?
yeah.
All right.
Teacher, what is Philippines capital city? What's
Manila.
name?
Manila.
Manila.
Yeah, Manila City. Manila City.
It is famous.
Yeah, it is very famous. But not really famous nowadays, honey. The one that's really famous now is the Siargao. This one, I will show. Boracay. I will show you Boracay first. This is very famous in the Philippines. Hold on. This one. This is Boracay. This is very, very famous for the foreigners, honey. A lot of foreigners likes to go here. And Siargao. Siargao. This one. Yeah, Manila, honey. Manila. Manila. Capital of the this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is Manila. But it's not very, very famous. Yeah, not really a lot. Yeah, but a lot of Filipino go here for work, honey. There are a lot of there are a lot of opportunities there here. But we just have seconds left, honey. Before that, honey, Ho Chi Minh is also the capital city of Vietnam, right?
Only one Hanoi.
Only Hanoi.
Ho Chi Minh City is very big. Yeah, but it's not capital city.
I see. But anyway, honey, the time is already over. Thank you so much, Tram, for your time, and see you on Sunday. Bye bye, Tram.